is our campsite. Let's see, a little campfire. Yeah, back up a little bit. Our tent, thank you, Jimmy.
Thank you, me.
We now have a shower tent. And we're parked next to Adventures with Jane. That's their channel right there. I'll show you their little setup. He's got solar on the roof. He's got a internet antenna. And currently he's working on his propane. He's got a propane issue. They had no heat yesterday. Let's go around back. So he went into town looking for a new hose for his gas. But as you can tell, he's been on a lot of adventures. Slab City. And there's us. Hey. Take you for a little walk around the campground. I'm gonna flip this around, I think. There we are. There we are. How do we do this? Do we like this? Should have the drone following us, I guess.
Oh, yeah. Briskly out.
Yeah, it's a little cool out.
Let's see.
It's like 68 there.
How about 54?
Ah, 54. That's fun. Better than 32.
Well, the real deal is 48. Uh-huh. Hiking trail.
Hiking trails?
Yeah, okay.
Did you see the sign?
Yeah,
Hold on.
that's what I'm laughing at.
So I was asking if we all saw the sign here. Open hunting areas, wear bright colors.
Yeah, no. My honey's wearing black.
That's quite a hiking trail there.
Yeah. Oh, past that one.
Neighbors. Shh.
Yeah.
Welcome to YouTube. One way. Uh-oh. We broke the law.
Oh, no. No, not again.
Not again. Wow. It's pretty out there.
Mm-hmm. Look at the colors.
Yeah. Some bright yellow there.
You know, hon, I don't think I've ever gone camping in October.
No?
No. Now I know why.
This is all Mark's idea. Adventures with Jane. Let's go and enjoy the colors.
Oh, okay. Sure. Oh, look how neat the branches
Oh yeah. Yeah, this is not
the
a
trees.
GoPro where it bends the tree is actually bent.
Oh, no, that's neat.
Oh yeah, there's the other
Look
one.
at, yeah.
It's an archway.
An arch, that's it, archway. Pretty cool. Excuse the pun, but I'm bumping.
Don't fall on us. Actually, a lot of these trees are bent like that. There's another one.
Interesting.
So that's that water. So we'll throw up the drone and I'll show you. There's two bodies of water. So we're between the two of them. There's the other one through there.
Uh-oh, puddle of water coming up. Now, being a gentleman that you are, you should lay down your coat for me so I may walk over.
I don't think that's going to help.
Fine, I'll just walk around. Don't walk in it though. Is that a tent?
Over there? Yeah.
Yankee?
Yep.
Oh, Lordy. Lordy, Lordy.
It's a cold night. See the leaves falling? That's not snow or rain. That's the leaves.
Oh, we must dance.
So you start.
I meant together.
I know. Ah. These trees sure are bendy.
Really? Look, check out the one up way up there. Where it goes. Interesting, huh? Wow.
We're back into bright yellow. Look at this. Wow.
Wow.
Yeah, this is Yankee Springs recreational area.
In Middleville, Michigan?
Middleville, Michigan. And this is, what's the name of the camp? Remember, there's two of them. We went to the wrong one yesterday.
Oh, Deep Lake.
This is Deep Lake, yes.
We went to the Gun Lake.
Gun Lake, yeah. Miles away. DNR had to guide us back here.
We were chaperoned by the
Chaperoned. We pull up, Mark says, "How did you get an escort?" So, well, we know the right people.
That's right. Respect it.
These sites are pretty close together too.
Wow, that is.
And there's even one behind them. Look at the firing up there.
Oh, wow. Wow. What are those? Are those the red? Are those flowers or are they leaves? You see the bright red over there?
Let's find out. No, look like leaves.
Oh, okay. The way back there almost looks like tulips.
Yeah, interesting. I think that just goes around.
I see a pine tree.
But wow, that's a tiny little pine tree.
Tiny pine tree.
Itty
Careful,
little
leaves of three.
Christmas tree. Yeah, we've been seeing poison ivy over here, which is one right on our campsite. Big old plant. That's not it. But
Oh,
I believe that is.
right there.
Pretty sure.
Yep, look at the film. They're starting.
Hmm.
See the thumbnail?
Oh, yeah.
Alright.
Yeah. Don't touch that.
Okay. I don't know, it feels like red.
It's young.